Amen.
I think I missed a line of it. No, any other requests at all?
Mark Antony's speech, Julius Caesar.
Yes, sir, this is a favorite speech.
The last year also I came, I had clipped.
Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do lives after them. Good is often interred with their bones. So let it be with Caesar. The noble Brutus hath told you Caesar was ambitious. If it were so, it were a grievous fault, and grievously hath Caesar answered it. Here, under leave of Brutus and the rest, for Brutus is an honourable man, so they all honourable men come out to speak in Caesar's funeral. He was my friend, faithful and just to me. Brutus says he was ambitious. Brutus is an honourable man. He hath brought many captives home to Rome, whose ransoms did the general coffers fill. Did this in Caesar seem ambitious? When the poor hath cried, Caesar hath wept. Ambition should be made of sterner stuff. Yet Brutus says he was ambitious, and Brutus is an honourable man. You all did see that on the Lupercal I thrice presented him a kingly crown, which he did thrice refuse. Was this ambition? Yet Brutus says he was ambitious, and sure he is an honourable man. I speak not to disprove what Brutus spoke, but here I am to speak what I do know. You all did love him once, not without cause.
Indeed.
What cause beholds you then to mourn for him? Oh, judgment, thou art fled to brutish beasts, and men have lost their reason. Bear with me. My heart is in the coffin there with Caesar, and I must pause till it come back to me.
Excellent.
Sir, do one more, please. He knows the speech.
Oh, ladies, I know more. Man, but it seems ever 1 foot in sea, and 1 shore to 1 constant never sign not so, but let them go, and be you blind and bonny, converting all the sounds of woe into hey, nonny, nonny. Sing no more ditties, sing no more of meadows so dull and heavy, the thought of men never so, since summer first was evening, and so, but let them go, and be you light and bonny, converting all your sounds of war into hay.